be ready to become a lizard. In programming, you have to be ready to change your color like a lizard. I remember when the job web designer meant just knowing HTML and CSS, no JavaScript, no logic. That job is dead. Now it's called front-end developer and it's a lot more complex. Same with a lot of tech, like Web3, virtual reality, Magento. It used to be a big deal. People learned it, then realized, well, it's not. The point is, tech moves fast. Even the developer job we know today might disappear. You might end up being something like a prompt engineer instead. So stay flexible, adapt. Soft skills matters. In companies, the rules are different. Did you know that at least 40% of your job as a developer is not spent on coding? Instead, you are stuck in meetings with the clients who have 2 IQ points, pretending they know what they are talking about, asking you why you are not building their website with Pascal. Seriously, you talk with your teammates, and if you are a front-end developer, you also deal with designers who want you to make impossible things to make. You also communicate with your managers. And by the way, if my managers is watching this, I need a raise. But seriously, soft skills are not optional. The way you talk, you smile, you communicate, you behave can increase your salary by at least 30%. And I am not even joking about it because companies, especially the big ones, hire based on two main things: tech skills and soft skills. Both matter the same. Learn to talk like a human, not just code like a machine. Spend 10,000 hours. There is a cheat code in life. If you spend 10,000 hours on something, you will master it. Programming isn't like reading a book. It's more like playing a music or painting. You have to practice. And by practice, I don't mean just watching tutorials. I mean actually writing code, building things, fixing bugs, breaking stuff and fixing it again. And you will only know where to spend those 10,000 hours when you actually start doing the work, especially when you are looking for your first job. The market will teach you what matters. Fix your life. There is a saying, a quote, I love it. If you do the right things on the top line, the bottom line will follow. And I know this might sound ridiculous, but a lot of developers smoke just to reduce stress. But here's the thing, cigarettes reduce oxygen going to your brain. And your brain is kind of important, especially if you are trying to solve a bug. So instead, drink water and do a workout. I'm not saying go to the gym, I'm not that guy. But at least 5 to 7 minutes at home is enough. Collaborate with others. And I am not just talking about Git or GitHub. I mean real collaboration. Learn to work in teams. Learn to be another break in the wall. Why? Because you can't build something like Facebook or YouTube by yourself. I'm not talking about clones. I mean real thing. Apps like these were built over many years by thousands of developers. Get used to working with others. And if you really want to collaborate, maybe hit the sub button. Kill insecurities. Welcome to the reality. There's go gravity. There's no such thing as a perfect developer. This is not Mr. Robot. You are not going to be some magical hacker who knows everything. And that's okay. Even senior devs Google stuff every day. Even experts learn new things all the time. You don't need to know everything. You just need to keep learning. Learn something every day. Programming is not just 9 to 5 job. If you stop learning, your career could die in 2 months. And I'm not even joking about it. You need to keep up with tech news. Know that's what's changing. Know where your field is going. So when you come back from work, scroll through a few articles, check what's new and stay sharp. These mindsets aren't nice to have. There are a real difference between average and genius developer. Which point hits you the most? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Speak so I can hear you. Thank you so much for watching.